Ever wondered why that dream car or home keeps slipping through your fingers? Chances are, your TransUnion score is playing a bigger role than you think. Whether you're looking to buy a house, get a loan, or even snag that perfect apartment, a good TransUnion score is like the golden ticket. But what exactly is it, and more importantly, how do you boost it? Let's dive in. First off, let's clear the air about what your TransUnion score actually is. It's a number generated by TransUnion, one of the three major credit bureaus that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess your risk as a borrower. The higher the score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans with lower interest rates. But here's the kicker, a low score can haunt you for years, making it harder to achieve your financial goals. So, how do you transform that number from a financial nightmare to a dream come true? Let's break it down. Understanding the building blocks of your score, your TransUnion score is a complex beast, influenced by several key factors. Payment history, this is the biggest chunk of your score. Paying bills on time, every time, is non-negotiable. Late or missed payments can seriously dent your score. Credit utilization, how much of your available credit are you using? Aim to keep it below 30% for optimal results. Credit age, the longer your credit history, the better. This shows lenders you're a reliable borrower. Credit mix, having a variety of credit accounts, credit cards, loans, can positively impact your score. New credit, opening too many accounts in a short period can lower your score. Boosting your score, practical steps. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff, how to actually improve your TransUnion score. Dispute errors, check your credit report for inaccuracies. Errors can drag your score down, so dispute any mistakes you find. Pay your bills on time, this cannot be emphasized enough. Set up automatic payments if needed. Lower your credit utilization, pay down balances on your credit cards. Avoid closing older accounts contribute positively to your credit age. Limit new credit, only open new accounts when necessary. Consider a secured credit card. If you have a limited credit history, a secured credit card can help build it. Monitor your credit regularly. Keep an eye on your credit report for any suspicious activity. While these steps form the backbone of improving your TransUnion score, there are a few extra tips to consider. Understand the different credit bureaus. While we're focusing on TransUnion, it's essential to know that there are two other major bureaus, Equifax and Experian. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected expenses can lead to financial stress, which might impact your credit. Consider credit counseling. If you're struggling with debt, credit counseling can provide guidance. Conclusion, boosting your TransUnion score is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of credit. Remember, consistency is key. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.